Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I have a 3-year-old son named Lennix. I have the whole family here helping me today, so if you see my 3-year-old or hear him, he is here with us. So I'm gonna jump in and get started. I am going to do a rear-facing installation of the Britax Boulevard Clicktight. I'm just gonna show you how to install it rear-facing, and then I will also do a video on how to do forward-facing installation, so check in the description box below and I'll leave a link to that video if you are in need of it. I also have done previous review on this car seat, so if you are in the market for a car seat and looking for one, I will go ahead and link that video down below as well. To start, there is this button here that says Clicktight on it that you push this little tab down and then it twists. So first, in order to open it up, you're going to twist that, and then inside here you will see the green arrow has the guide for forward facing, and then the blue arrow has the guide for the rear facing. So we are going to do rear facing today, and I'm going to use this blue arrow as a guide. Also, before you get started and install the car seat, you want to make sure you have it reclined at the position you'd like, and you can do that with this little tab down here. I did set it to where I want, but I would recommend doing it prior to installing, because once it's installed, you'll be unable to do that. So you're going to thread the seatbelt through both pieces. You want to make sure it's folded. Okay. So as you can see, I have it pretty well threaded here. And you just bring it through both sides, and then I am going to click and fasten the seatbelt down below. And then what I like to do is pull and make sure there's no excess, so it's pulled rather nicely. And then lastly, we're going to go ahead and close this. Now you'll see I have trouble closing it. You need to put like all your weight, unless if you have a lot of strength, which I do not. I'm going to stick my knee in it to help push it down. And when it is installed properly, you'll hear a clicking sound, which is why it's called Boulevard Clicktight. I'm gonna push my knee in here, and then once you hear the click, that means it's installed correctly. So this right here, we want it to click and go back to, you want the words to be upright again. So like this. And that way, you know it's secured. Now, you're gonna do the 1 inch test, so you wanna make sure left to right, it doesn't wiggle more than 1 inch, and back and forth, forward and backwards, it doesn't move 1 inch, which it doesn't. One last indicator that you wanna look at is down here, you have lever, and for rear facing, it's everything indicated in blue. So if that little ball is within the rear facing area, then you're good to go. This is why I chose this car seat, because it is so easy to install. As you can see, this took me like 2 seconds. So if I can do it, you guys can do too. But this is why I purchased this car seat as one of the top reasons next to safety. It just has a very easy installation. Thank you so much for watching today's Britax Boulevard Clicktight rear-facing installation. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more like it in the future, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.